Hello everyone and welcome to another SQL tutorial with Learn at No Star. Today we are going to write a SQL query to find out the most frequent value in our database table. So in our example, we are going to find out the most frequently ordered product in the customer orders table. So the very first step that needs to be performed is that we want a count of each product ID. So we are going to take a count and use the count star function for that. We are counting on the product ID, so we are going to group by the product ID and execute our query. So now we have the results and we can see that the product ID with the largest count is the most frequently ordered item. So how can we tweak our query to give us this one single item in the output, which is the most frequently ordered item? So what we're going to do is we are going to add an order by condition and we are going to order by this count. So I can give an alias here to the count star. I can say this is my count, and we can use an alias in the order by clause because order by is executed after the select statement has been executed and it has created the result set. So the result set created by the select statement is ordered by whatever condition you specify here, and that's why we are able to use the alias. So I'm going to order by the count, and I'm going to order it in a descending manner. So I have the record with the highest count at the top, and I can just execute this, which gave me the ordered list of records. And now I want only the first record. So because I'm using SQL Server, I'm going to say top 1. And it is going to give me only that one single record. But let's say you want to find out the nth ordered item, so the second most frequently ordered item, then this approach might not be that useful. And in that case, we will use the third approach. But before that, let's take a look at another approach that can be used using subqueries to find out again the most frequently ordered items. So in this case, first I'm going to create a CTE and store my count for each product ID in the CTE. So I'm just going to copy this. I'm just going to remove the top ones from here. And this is going to be my CTE, which is essentially just storing the results of my count query in the CTE. And next we are going to use a subquery to find out the first top 1 record. Now, if you need some help understanding the concepts of CTEs and subqueries and want to practice some queries, then LearnSQL.com is an excellent online SQL training platform to do so. Here you can find 70 plus interactive SQL courses that teach you not only the standard SQL, they teach you customized SQL for each platform like PostgreSQL, MySQL, and so on. So you go to this site and you can just log in. You can create your login credentials, so you can log in using your Gmail ID. You can go to the courses tab and search for any specific topic, let's say recursive CTEs, and you can see that there are special courses on recursive queries. All the courses consist of hands-on exercises that can be practiced right on your browser, so you do not need to download any software. The database and the code editor is available to you right on your browser. And there's step-by-step instructions, detailed explanations for each topic, and lots of exercises for you to practice. The best part is that you can create a free account to try their courses. You can select a course, start your free trial, and there's no credit card required. You can also take advantage of the Black Friday sale, which is currently going on, and you can get a massive discount on all their courses. Coming back to our problem, now let's write the subquery that will fetch us the topmost record. So we are going to say select star from CT underscore count, where count is equal to, and here comes our subquery, select max of count from CTE underscore count. And now if you execute this query, you have the same results. So what we have done here is simply created a subquery that is fetching us the maximum count, and we are matching the count for each record from the CTE with the maximum count, and the record that satisfies that condition is returned to us in the output. Again, this can be a very helpful approach if we just need to find out the topmost record. The final approach that we are going to discuss is using the Windows function. So we are again going to make use of the CTE, and this time we are going to create a rank on our records from the CTE. So rank over, and we're going to order by the count column that we created, count and descending, and let's call it rank products from the CTE underscore count. Now what this is going to give us is the list of all the products with their corresponding rank based on which product was sold the most or ordered the most. If I want just the topmost product, I'm going to say select star from, and again put this rank query as a subquery, and where rank underscore product is equal to 1. If I execute this, I'm going to get the topmost product. The advantage with this query is that since we have ranked all the records or all the products, we can also find out the nth highest sold product. So if we want to find out the second most ordered product, I can just change this here and I can put 2 here. And if I execute this query now, I will get the product that is the second highest ordered product. I can get a list of products. Let's say I want all the products. The top 2 products, I can just say 1 and 2 here and execute this query, and I will get both of those products returned. So in scenarios where you need to find out the nth highest products, this one is going to be a more helpful query. Also, when they are sub-partitioned, so let's say we wanted to find out the most sold product in a particular region, so we also had to create or group by the country or the region. In that case, the Windows queries would be most helpful. I hope the video was useful. Please do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also follow us on our Instagram account. We will see you in the next video. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye.